Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to go over the press release issued by Zion Oil and Gas today. It says Zion Oil and Gas completes drilling phase of the MJ2 well in Israel. It says Zion moves forward with testing based on encouraging shows of hydrocarbons. It says we're thankful for the successful completion of the drilling phase, expressed Zion Oil and Gas CEO Robert Dunn. We're eager to move forward with testing immediately based on encouraging hydrocarbon shows. It says Zion has completed the drilling of the MJ2 well, total depth of 5,530 meters or 18,141 feet with a 6-inch open hole at the depth. The primary zone of interest contains encouraging shows of hydrocarbons. A full set of detailed and comprehensive tests, including neutron density, sonic, gamma, and resistivity logs, paired with well testing, will commence during the coming weeks. Based on these logs and analysis, additional zones of interest may be identified and tested. All testing equipment and personnel are in Israel, and Zion is assembling the required equipment at the well site for the comprehensive testing. Zion Oil and Gas, a publicly traded company on the OTCQX Best Market, explores for oil and gas onshore in Israel on their 99,000-acre MJ licensed area. So, got some PR. Good news. We do have volume. We're going to look at the charts here in a second, although the price is not moving as aggressive as you might think just yet. But we're going to talk about what might be coming over the next couple of weeks. So let's take a look at the charts and see what they're telling us. All right, guys, so looking at Zion Oil and Gas. So we went from roughly about 13-14 cents to a high of 23.5 cents. And currently trading at only 18 cents. So we did cross over from bearish to bullish, and we did have a lot of volume coming in right off the jump off of the PR. So it'll be interesting to see exactly what happens in the coming days. Are we going to just fall back down and see absolutely nothing, or is this going to be the start of an uptrend, right? So you still have a current support of 10 cents, a little under 10 cents, and then current resistance of about 25.5. Overall, we got to get above about 21 to 22 cents and hold above there in order to confirm a reversal and move to the upside. That's kind of the only discouraging thing on this is we hit this high and we didn't actually gap up further. Really, we just kind of fell back down, and it looks like we'll just kind of stay around 20 cents or so. I'm not sure, but typically after the volume, you see here the initial volume, we do see a pretty big push up and move to the upside. So I'm curious to see what happens on these next few hours, if we continue that volume trend or if it's going to just kind of level off or slow down or whatnot. So it's something to keep an eye on. So anyway, guys, that's encouraging. I think people need to still hear, although it's kind of obvious that they're going to get an extension for their operations in Israel. Obviously, they probably are getting their extension, or it has been granted, because obviously they have testing crews out there and they're going to have more information from the coming weeks. So I think if they just put that on paper and sent that out, that would probably help. But other than that, we'll just have to kind of wait it out and see. I want to give you another little kind of a bonus. So S&PW is a stock that we used to follow, and it's moving. It was at about 1 cent and hit all the way to a high of almost 3 cents. Man, that's crazy. Could have tripled your money within about a couple of hours or so, but they had some PR as well, so it's something to keep an eye on. This is on the OTC market as well. I'm assuming we're going to get a pullback from it, but you want to see if it can stay above about 1.5 cents and hold that SMA line if you're going to try to get in and ride the wave up. So, all right, guys, that's all I got. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.